Okay, so we were talking about discounts. Now we're specifically going to talk about two types of markups called tax and tip. Okay, again, we see taxes on anything we pay for, and tip if we're tipping, say, a server at a restaurant. Okay, so a sales tax is a percentage added to our to the selling price. Okay, so our final price should be bigger than what our original price was. And same thing, at the end of a meal, we would add the tip. So a tip is a percentage added to the original total bill. So, it says find the final price of a $719.99 laptop with 5% sales tax. So again, let's take our percentage, and again, 5% as a decimal would be 0.05. Go ahead and take our original price of $719.99. We're going to go ahead and multiply that by 0.05. When we multiply that out, we get $35, and it's going to come out to this. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and round. Okay, so money is always to the hundreds. So we're going to look here at this next digit, and since it's a 9, we're going to round this one up. But since this is a 9, we would also need to round that one up. And since that one's a 9, we would have to round that one up as well. So this would end up being $36 added on. So the final price that we would pay, we take this laptop to the register, and they're going to add $36 to this, which comes out to $755.99. I'm going to go in purple with that. Make it even more festive. There's our little selling price. Okay. Again, same thing here. The final price of $149.99 smartwatch with 8.5% sales tax. So 8.5%, again, we're going to move it twice. We need to add our 0 in there. Okay, so we're going to use the decimal 0.085. So now we're going to take that 0.085 and we're going to go ahead and multiply it to our $149.99. And that's going to come out to be $12.75. Again, sales tax is adding on to it. We're increasing the price. So we're going to go ahead and take this $12.75 and add it to the price. And we're going to get that at the end of our shopping venture, you are paying $162.74. Now this last one, it's a little special. Okay, we got two parts to this, because if you notice, it says a $799.99 television is selling for 13% off. So that one is a discount. Okay, Find the final price of the television if the sales tax is 6%. So after we have decreased the price, then we're going to have to find the sales tax on that discounted price. So our price is going to go back up at the end when we pay for it. So let's go ahead and start with our discount. So you're going to take $799 and we're going to multiply that by 0.13, and that gives us $104. So again, this is a discount, so we're going to subtract that $104 away from our $799.99. So our discounted price for this would be $659.99. But we're not done because that's the discounted price. Okay, now we're going to take this discounted television and we're going to go pay for it, but we got to pay sales tax. So we're going to take this $659.99 and now we're going to multiply it by 6%. Okay, be very careful with these decimals, or excuse me, percentages that are less than 10%. You need to make sure to add a 0. So the decimal we are using is 0.06. which tells us that that would be equal to $41.76. Now, sales tax is added on to our price, so we're going to go ahead and take our $659.99 and we're going to add $41.76. And when you leave the store, you are paying $737.75.